Are you struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube? You're not alone. It's the biggest roadblock stopping small creators from getting monetized. But what if I told you there's a simple hack that can help you smash through that goal, even in as little as 24 hours? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to position your videos right next to big creators so their audience starts watching your content. Most small creators think the only way to hit 4,000 watch hours is by posting every single day and praying for the algorithm to notice. But that's not true. The real trick is putting your content where people are already watching, right beside the biggest names in your niche. That's what this hack does. Here's how it works. Go to your channel and open a playlist with your best videos. Copy the playlist link. Focus on the part after list equals. Go to a big creator's video, MrBeast, or anyone in your niche. Copy their video link. Merge their video link with your playlist link. Now, when someone opens that special link, they'll watch the big creator's video first, and then YouTube lines up your videos right after it. That means you're suddenly sitting beside a massive audience that's already engaged. Here's an example. I merged one of my playlist links with a top creator in my niche. Look what happens when I open it in a new tab. Their video plays first, and then every single recommended video after it is mine. Imagine hundreds of people watching this link. That's hours stacking up fast. But listen carefully. There are rules. This only works if people open the big creator's video using your merged link. That means you need to promote this link yourself, on social media, in groups, in DMs. Don't make it obvious you're trying to push your channel. Instead, share the big creator's video like you're genuinely recommending it. While they watch, your playlist is waiting for them in the sidebar. This hack doesn't just give you extra clicks. Every time someone continues watching into your videos, your watch time grows. And here's the magic. Once YouTube sees that people are binging your content after a big creator, the algorithm starts recommending you on its own. That's how creators go from struggling to monetized in record time. All right, let's recap. Create a playlist with your best content. Merge it with a big creator's video link. Share that link everywhere your audience hangs out. If you found this valuable, give this video a thumbs up so more creators struggling with 4,000 hours can find it. And don't forget to subscribe with the bell on. I'm dropping more hacks that make YouTube growth faster and simpler. Finally, head to the comments, introduce yourself, and connect with other small creators. Sometimes the fastest way to grow isn't just strategy, it's community. See you in the next one.